Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily add apps to home screen on the Google Pixel 10. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to all the apps by swiping up. Now here we have all apps, and if we want to add an app to the home screen, we want to hold it, then move it and place it wherever we like. So for example, I'll place it right here, and as you guys can see, now we got our app in the home screen. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.